In this tutorial, we're going to give this video clip an 80s appearance using neon text to give it an 80s look. So here we have just a ballerina dancing. Let's insert a video track. Go to media generators, select titles and text. Check out the first track. I'll just call this dance. I'll change the font. I downloaded the font from the internet. It's called Neon Lights. It's a real cool looking font. If you want to look for it, just Google Neon Lights and you'll find it on the internet. So let's change the color to an 80s pink. Let's scale it up a bit. That's good. Now let's go to video effects. Let's go to glow. Check out the first track. Color picker. Sample the pink text. And play the settings here. So right there, so before, after, looks good. And play it back. So it gives it an 80s appearance. It's a very simple tutorial. Just experiment. That's all you have to do. Just experiment and see what you can come up with. So if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.